You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Sir, I'm going to share one of my story. It's almost been 2 years back, and I with my friends planned to go to the northern areas of Pakistan. And when we will go when we are on the way to the Skardu, we stay at night at near the Sai Plains, and at the midnight we are camping there, and there we saw a wild bear, and it's almost we got very panic when we saw it, and we tried to manage it, but by running back to the hotels area where the hotels are, and we tried to go there, and then we spent the night at hotel, and that we survived that.
Okay, what's your topic?
My topic?
Yeah.
First side on wild animal. Like
Wild animal, but you didn't talk about any wild animal.
It's a bear. It's
Okay,
a wild
but you know, you mainly told the whole story.
Yes, sir.
But bear was just one small part of your story. So your whole story should revolve around wild animal. Mainly you focus northern areas, visit there and all that.
Yes,
so the first thing is make your answer relevant.
Okay, sir.
It's at the moment it's little relevant, otherwise irrelevant. Number two, you have present past mistakes. In the past tense you are using present. So in the past tense we use second form of the verb, not first form. You said we are doing, we are camping, we were camping. So for you, my advice is to learn all the tenses before you come here next Thursday.
Okay, sir.
That will help you.
Okay.
Now we move on to speaking part 3. Why do you like wild animals?
Actually, I don't like wild animals, but why I like?
Okay, so do people go to the zoo in your country?
Yes, the peoples in our country go to the zoo. It's very entertaining, like the many wild animals we don't see at our sides, but when we go to zoo, they are in front of us, so people enjoy to go to zoo.
Okay, do people like to keep animals at home?
Yes, there is a culture. It's not in the past, but now there is a culture to keep the animals in our homes, in the homes. So people like pets like dogs, dogs and cats and other things, parrots,
Okay.
like that.
All right, thank you. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test.
Okay.